ProverbsClub.com. Avoid the prostitute. Proverbs 5, verses 7 to 14. Now then, my sons, listen to me. Do not turn aside from what I say. Keep to a path far from her. Do not go near the door of her house, lest you lose your honor to others and your dignity to one who is cruel. Lest strangers feast on your wealth and your toil enrich the house of another. At the end of your life you will groan, when your flesh and body are spent. You will say, "How I hated discipline! How my heart spurned correction! I would not obey my teachers or turn my ear to my instructors. And I was soon in serious trouble in the assembly of God's people." PCDC Commentary. Why should you avoid the prostitute? At the end of your life, you will regret it. You will have lost your honor, dignity, wealth, toil. How can you avoid the ravages of prostitution? Discipline.